Hello everyone, it's Cody from the Analogue Archive again. I'm back with a new video. We are going to unbox an Instax Mini 9 today. But what makes this one a little bit special, and one that may or may not be on YouTube, I'm not entirely sure, I haven't looked if I'm being honest, is this is actually a limited edition version of the Instax Mini 9. Now, there's a couple of things that make this limited edition. Specifically what I have in my hand now are these color filters. You get the red, yellow and blue, or red, orange and blue, teal, green, and they come specifically with the limited edition box. So, you know, if you want to pretty up your photos, add a couple of colors to it. Oh, and there's also this piece here. So this is what comes with all regular Instax Mini 9s. It's a selfie lens that you snap on the front. And here we go. Alright, so this is the Instax Mini 9 in yellow. Now, the limited edition ones, they have something pretty distinct about what, compared to the other ones. It has that see-through clear plastic on the shutter button and the focus wheel thing on the front there. This reminds me of the old school Game Boys used to get, for those of us who are old enough to remember what a Game Boy is, but it had that transparent plastic as well. Here we got some more instructions in various different languages. I've come to realize even now, I'm not even full of the box through the whole box here, and I've just so much paper in these things. Instax sticker, which will be good for the kids, they can have that. And what else we got? We got some more instructions. And that's pretty much it. I think there's some batteries in here and a strap. Yep, here we go. Batteries and a strap for it. But it's pretty cool. I'll follow up with a video around those extra color filters and the lenses and whatnot. Oh, hello, little one. But the color filters, and show how they affect the photos and whatnot. So I'll try and have that video out probably next week. I hope you guys have a good week, have a good time, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Cheers, see ya.